And I just wanted to give you this quick video about the total supply of XRP, how it gets burnt, because somebody left me a comment stating that I didn't address the burn rate in my calculation of the perfect number, let's say, for the monetary value of XRP in the future. Okay, so I just wanted to play this for you because I thought this was pretty interesting. Look at this. 36 days ago, XRP's total supply was 99,989,062,491. So that's billion. Today, the total supply is, you can read it, 988. XR 97,961 XRP burned and gone forever in 36 days. That's about 2,800 a day. Okay, so he's going to show you how the burn rate works, how the supply chain of XRP will handle it. And then there's a few interesting, mind-blowing things. I don't want to overload you because truth is that it's mostly crypto newbies on my channel. And when you start talking about blockchains and side chains and all that stuff, I'm sure it'll make your eyes cross. I'm going to do it for half a second after he explains this because I think this is important. Then I want to cover a couple of extra things about XRP. So let's get going.
36 days. On an average day basis, 2,800 XRP was burnt daily. So, which means in 36 days, 97,000, almost a second, there's XRP being burnt as transactions get executed. Which leads us to this. Yeah. Let's say in 40 years, this average maintains and the price of XRP never moves. We're looking at about 41 million XRP being burnt, just in terms of fees. Nothing changes. But keep in mind that fees can be changed and altered within the XRP ledger. Right, so P equals $1 here, right? But that's 2 million drops. And then once we break it down to 0.8 and all the drops, it's about 40 cents, 0.7373, 36 cents.
Is your brain smoking yet? Or is there smoke coming out of your ears because your brain is working overtime yet? That's my question. Because some of this math, honestly, okay, anyway.
0.5, 25 cents, 0.1, 5 cents, 0.01, basically nothing.
There it is, basically nothing. Let's go.
And this is if XRP was at 50 cents. Now getting on to XRP at $50. 2 XRP would equal to $100. So that's still 2 million XRP will be worth $100. Not 2 million, but 2 million drops. 0.8 XRP will be worth approximately $40. 0.7373 equals 36 to 100,000 drops. 100,000 drops when XRP is at $50 will be worth $5. 737,300 drops would be worth to a vision for federated sidechains on the XRP ledger. This is
okay. So I don't know if you understood all that math or not, but it comes down to the fees and transactions will go down as the numbers go up. The burn rate will become nominal. Okay, and you saw the numbers over 40 years and over 70 years, so it'll all work out. This is the interesting part to me. I heard Joel Katz, David Schwartz, whatever he likes to go by on Twitter, he's both. Yeah, the XRPL and then all the different side chains. And I once watched a video with a chickie that works for Ripple explaining how the side chains work. Could I interpret it for you right this second? Oh, hell no. But at the time, she was making total sense. So you could read it right there. The vision is that each side chain would function as its own blockchain. They'd have their own ledger and transactions just as XRP ledger does. What makes them side chains is the federation system, which allows XRP and issued tokens to move from one chain to another. Okay. If that doesn't sound complex to you, well, then you're pretty bright. Love it. But the blockchain technology is there, and so are these side chains, which is what's interesting about XRPL to me.
This is massive. Take a listen to this, okay? And before I even start reading this, take a listen to what David Schwartz says about it.
We already read that.
They'll have their own ledger and anyone could move XRP with a whole new set of 100 billion XRP. So instead, side chains have
this is an interesting thing with.
You don't have to. You have a switch that you can flip whenever you.
1 second.
Idea. You can build a federated sidechain with some feature that you want to propose for inclusion in the XRP ledger, and you can handle real money with it. You don't have to. You have a switch that you can flip whenever you're ready to handle real money.
Folks, at the end of the day, Ripple's.
He made that sound kind of easy and interesting. For everyone, it's not as easy to pick up, but hey, let's move on. I want to hear Brad Garling. Oops, stop that. Let's go to here, Brad Garling.
With another episode.
We started building RippleNet with the thesis that crypto liquidity would eventually be able to support robust global payments, large payments. RippleNet was designed so that customers seeing the benefits of our fiat-based network could flip the switch to ODL once the market was mature enough. And this is exactly what's happening.
And there it is. That music is highly annoying. Okay. I am going to talk about from this point on. Let's see. I have made some notes on this. So actually, XRP has the best tokenomics out there based on all of this, and the transaction fee is low. The energy usage is low. The more there are tokens and other tokens that'll drop once they're on XRP ledger and it's in full use, you know. I think people sleep on that information. They don't get it. And I don't know if I've explained it to the best nth degree that I can. Every time I listen to one of the experts, it's really easy for me to take in the information at the time. It's very difficult to break it down into layman's terms and bring it down to, you know, crypto for beginners. I'm not going to say dummies because I was once a beginner. And I think, yep, I was a dummy. But, you know, that's me. I just wanted to say a word about Gary Gensler and the SEC. I think he thinks he's the expert on securities in general and that everything is a security. And I think he's going to be pushed to eat those words soon. That's just my prediction. I have been predicting all along that this SEC lawsuit is going to wrap by the beginning of third quarter. I think I'm going to be correct. And things should take off after that. I don't know that that's going to make XRP skyrocket to $50, but I certainly believe that it's going to, the volatility is going to start. It's going to rise up. It's going to go down. So for all of you who haven't jumped in, I'm going to tell you that XRP under $5 is going to be in your future. So if you want to do some trading, I've been having a hard time finding a trading site. Crypto.com, I finally logged in on my phone. They don't even carry XRP to trade. Qcoin is pairings only. I'm working on that one because I think that'll be my best bet. I just have to figure it out. I'm not overly secure about how to trade, to be honest, but I'm going to do it in small numbers. I mean, hey, if I can, you know, figure it out and make myself 100 to 200, 500 a week on that, that would be fun. Listen, there's always somebody who's commenting in my YouTube comments. And by the way, subscribe, hit that bell notification, give me a thumbs up for the algorithm, please, please, please. But there's always somebody in the comments talking about, you need a brokerage with Mrs. So-and-so, so-and-so, different names, okay, in my comments under this in YouTube, okay? And I want you to know that I do not recommend, or they are not people that I know. Just, that's my disclaimer, okay? This is not financial advice. I simply share what I do, and that's it, okay? And by the way, no one is ever going to be able to call the bottom or the top when you're trading anything. So don't ever think that you're going to be able to know when the bottom is or when the top is. Just take your profits along the way and buy as you will, okay? I think I'm going to wrap it right there, and I will catch you on the next video. Thanks for being with me. Ciao for now.